Hey there, microwave masters. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tricky appliance issues into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into the GE microwave error code PF, specifically for 2025 models. If you've ever seen PF flashing on your microwave display and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. This error typically stands for power failure, indicating that your microwave has lost power or detected an interruption in its electrical supply. First off, let's talk about why this happens. Common causes include a sudden power outage, a tripped circuit breaker, or even a loose power cord. In 2025 GE models, this code is designed as a safety feature to prevent operation after a power disruption. Don't worry, it's usually not a major issue, but ignoring it could lead to bigger problems down the line. So, how do you fix it? Start with the basics. Unplug your microwave from the wall outlet and wait for about 30 seconds. This gives the internal system a chance to reset. Plug it back in and see if the error clears. If that doesn't work, check your home circuit breaker panel. Look for any switches that might have tripped and reset them if needed. If the error persists, it could be something more specific to your 2025 model, like a faulty control board or wiring issue. In that case, grab a multimeter if you're handy with tools, and test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember, safety first. Always unplug the device before inspecting. For most users, resetting the microwave does the trick, but if you're still seeing PF, it's time to call in a professional technician. They can diagnose any underlying electrical problems and ensure everything is up to code. To prevent this in the future, make sure your microwave is on a dedicated circuit and avoid overloading outlets. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more appliance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's troubleshoot together.